Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to buy and sell crypto on the Kraken Pro app. So first thing, open your Kraken Pro app and log in into your account. After that, select the crypto you want to sell. In this example, I will sell some Bitcoin. Next, tap trade, then choose sell. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell, review the details and swipe to confirm. That's it, your Bitcoin has been sold successfully. Now let's move on buying crypto. So go to Markets tab and search for the crypto you want to buy. Again, I will choose Bitcoin, then tap buy, select the amount you want to purchase, even the minimum works, and then tap buy Bitcoin and swipe to confirm. And just like that, you've bought Bitcoin. If you check your portfolio, you will see the crypto you just purchased. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.